Hello guys, set something on fire or set fire to something. What do they mean? Here we have to remember in mind that both the terms, that is set something on fire or set fire to something, denote আগুন ধরানো বা কোনো কিছুতে আগুন লাগানো। And at the same time, here we have to remember in mind that both the terms, that is set something on fire or set fire to something, can be used both in the active form or in the passive sense. So let's begin with the first one. Here you can see first one, set something on fire. That denotes কোনো কিছুতে আগুন লাগা, কোনো কিছুতে আগুন লাগা। For example, by using this term, here you can write, I will set the papers on fire. Or we can say, I will set fire to the papers. অর্থাৎ আমি কাগজপত্রগুলোতে আগুন লাগাবো বা আগুন জ্বালিয়ে দেব। The second one, here you can see set fire to something. Set fire to something. That means আগুন লাগানো বা জ্বালানো। For example, here we can write the protesters set fire to vehicles. The protesters set fire to vehicles. অর্থাৎ বিক্ষোভকারীরা গাড়িগুলোতে আগুন ধরিয়ে দিয়েছে। বিক্ষোভকারীরা গাড়িগুলোতে বা যানবাহনগুলোতে আগুন ধরিয়ে দিয়েছে। And if we use it in the passive sense, here we can write the house is set on fire. The house is set on fire. অর্থাৎ বাড়িটিতে আগুন লেগেছে। Then a beautiful one, you can see set pen to paper. Set pen to paper. What does this mean? This means start writing. অর্থাৎ লেখা শুরু করা। লেখা শুরু করা। For example, here you can write, don't waste your time, set pen to paper. Don't waste your time, set pen to paper. অর্থাৎ সময় অপচয় করিও না, লেখা শুরু করো। Thanks for watching. Bye.